Ready to ditch those boring, plain text emails and skyrocket your engagement with leads and clients? First, head over to Canva.com and search for email header. This gives you a great starting point with the right dimensions. Browse through the templates and pick one that vibes with your brand style. Don't worry, you can customize almost everything. Now, let's personalize it. Swap out the default logo with your own, and adjust the colors to match your brand's palette. Consistency is key. Choose fonts that are easy to read and reflect your brand's personality. Canva offers a huge library. Add relevant images or illustrations to make your email visually appealing. Canva has a vast stock photo library, or you can upload your own. Once you're happy with the design, download it as a high-quality JPEG or PNG file. Now, jump over to Follow Up Boss. Navigate to the Email Templates section and create a new template. Upload your Canva designated image as the header of your email template. Write your email copy below the header, keeping it concise and engaging. Add a clear call to action. And that's it. You've created a stunning email template in Canva that's ready to impress your leads and clients in Follow Up Boss. Elevating your brand and driving results. Go get 'em.